Hi, hello, my name is Ozioma Onukogo. Hello, guys, my name is Ozioma Onukogo. I am the co founder of Rubicon Games, and I would like to present our very first digital product to you. So, Rubicon Games is a three-tiered product, but our overarching theme is that we want to help people to create AI powered games and onboarding experiences. This is just an example of an AI powered game we are building, and our very first product called Crypto Charade. So it's the first set of crypto games that we play. So we have different games. We have the physical game cards. We have the AI generator, which we are going to. But today we are going to be talking about the digital game, a game where you can play with your friends or with an AI agent. You can stake on it, and you can also earn rewards on it. So when you come on Rubicon Games on XYZ, you click on this. Like I mentioned, we have several different types of games that have different rules, all of them drawn from local games and African games that we play on a regular basis. So you can choose to play. But an interesting thing you can see here is you can see who is on the leaderboard. You can also see games that are coming soon. So you can choose to play with someone who is on the top of the leaderboard. So let's say I want to play Web3 trivia. I click on play now, and I get to choose my avatar. I get to choose what type of brand I get to click in. I choose my username. I get to play alone and play with friends. When you play with friends, you're able to create a room. And now the interesting part of our game that makes it different is that you're actually able to stake in a game. As you can see, if you want to, let's say, stake a specific amount. Let's say you want to stake 10 USDC with your friend, and then the winner takes all. So both of you stake 10, and then the winner takes all. You get to select here, and you get to connect your wallet. You can choose MetaMask. We're going to have other wallet options. So when you collect your wallet, you can continue. You choose how much you want to stake. Let's say I want to stake 10, right? You choose, or 50 USDT. You choose what brand or what kind of distribution. Is it the winner takes all, or the top two winners take 50-70, or the winner takes 70%, or the stake is split amongst all people, right? And you distribute how you want the stake to be distributed, token save. You can also choose your level of difficulty. Do you want the game to be easy, hard, or just mediate, right? You can copy the link of the game, share this in the same way you can share a Kahoot copy, and then you can go to the lobby. The lobby is where you see other people who have joined the game through your link. Now, if it's a game where you want to have with the community and you want to have like a target of 100 people, here you can see the number of people who are already in the waiting room, in the lobby room, waiting for the game to begin, right? You can see the people who are ready for the game to begin. You can share with more people. You can even schedule the game, and then you can start the game here. Now the game starts playing. The interesting thing about the game is that it is built so everyone can participate in it, right? And when you're playing the game, you get to choose. We've designed it to fit into the normal way people play games. You could use the RGB token to buy a hint, tweet for help, or even delete a game, and you keep going that way, right? As you're spending tokens, you can also buy. As you're also winning the games, you're getting like some numbers as well. You're also getting some numbers as well as you're winning the game, right? And you just keep at it this way. You keep playing and you keep playing, and you can keep doing the game and going through the questions. There have been times when you get a question wrong, it shows you that, oh, you've gotten it wrong. So you are able to understand and improve yourself, and you keep playing the games. The questions keep changing. Once you're done and the timeline for the game is done, you see the leader report score. It shows you how many you answered correctly, your total game time, and the number of points you got. It also showed you where you are on the leaderboard, so you can also view answers here and see the ones that you got wrong and the ones you got right. Now we've connected this to different links and different platforms and resources so that you can go read more of the questions that you didn't get right? And you can view leaderboard and see the people who won, the people who got the most, and people who benefited from the game. You can see who the points and the winners is. Now these points are actual things that you can then convert to real tokens. You use this point to, join in other games. You can use this point to also stake. You can use this point to buy lifelines. You can use it to buy skins. You can choose to play again. This time you can choose to play with an agent. You can also see your ranking, your newbie, the number of points you have, and all of that. And we want to get to the point where we can use a prediction market in a way that people can predict who would win a game, and so a community can have the best top people on the leaderboard on the platform, and then people can bet and stake on who would most likely win the game. We've already designed about different parts of this game. We've designed about 4 games. As you can see, there are people who are waiting. You can see active sections. You can actually even see games that are currently being played and you can choose to join in. So this is basically Rubicon Games. This is what we are building. We already onboarded about 400 gamers waiting, and we have like lots of communities that are waiting to join us. This is our game, and we would love you to work with us in bringing this game to life. We're already live in about 3 countries that are currently using us, and multiple communities that are using us to teach, educate their staffs on different topics, and we want to do even more. Join us in building a unique learning platform designed for Africa and the world, and engaging and fun. Bye.